Ciao, I'm Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. This episode, we're going to do cheesesteaks. You like cheesesteaks? Philly cheesesteaks? So do I. But this show, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do Willy cheesesteaks. You want to know why I call it that? Don't go nowhere. Hey, thanks for sticking around. You're going to be happy you did. Philly cheesesteaks themselves, I just love them. But, you know, I can't go all the way to Philly. Places like Geno's and Pat's and Joe's out of Philly, beautiful. I love all of them. I'm not saying mine's better than theirs. All I'm saying is I can't go there, so I'm making my own. But the ones that I'm making are from my cousin Willy, who used to get in all kinds of mischief. You know what I'm saying? Willy, he was always a little bit, you know what I mean? And when that would happen, he was always in a pickle, as they say. So that's what made the difference in the cheesesteaks. He adds pickles to his cheesesteaks. So I'm going to show you how we do it here at Vito's Italian Cucina via my cousin Willy. Anyway, come here, let me show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to get you some rarest roast beef that you can buy, very thinly sliced, right? And you can get it anywhere, very good. Then over here we have some white American cheese, melts great. And then here's that pickle that Willy got in right here, and that's what goes on the sandwich. And then we're going to come over and get these nice buns here. I love these buns. And you know what? With these things here, what you do is you slice them. Don't slice them all the way through. You only come up to the end there, and be careful of your hands, okay? So it opens up and still has like a pocket. You don't want to cut it all the way through. And then over here, we got some red roasted peppers. Now that is what I'm going to put in to what I've been sauteing over here. We have chopped white onions, mushrooms, and they've been sauteing. And now I'm going to add the red roasted peppers. Come on, let's look. Look how beautiful this is. Huh? Woo, man. I'm just going to put them in there just like that. And we're going to stir them up. Okay, and get it all going. And while this is going, we're going to come on over and we're going to get the beef. And we're going to put it on the pan. Put the old lid back on here. And it's already flaming up right there. It's ready to go. So now we're going to go ahead and get the roast beef right here. And here we go. We just go ahead and, this is how I do it, guys. I just go ahead and I just lay it down in here. Whoops! You want to get it in the pan. It's the best place for it. And I just kind of lay it in a section like this. So how I do it is each one is like a sandwich, you know? So here's sandwich 2. We'll do 2 sandwiches today. 2 Willy cheesesteaks coming up, baby. No whiz. I don't want the whiz. Just give me 2 Willy cheesesteaks. Oh, man, listen to that sizzle. Does it look good? Sounds great. We'll go ahead and load it up just like that. One more little piece right here. Okay? Just like that. So now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the American white cheese and we're going to go ahead and put it right on top. Just like this. This is how simple it is. Because this one has a little more beef in the back, we're going to go ahead and put 3 of them there. Don't forget the lid. You got to put the lid on top. That way the cheese melts down and gets all nice and gooey. That's what you like. Okay, so stay with us. After these things are done, we're going to put the ingredients on top, and it's that simple. Oh, your friends are going to go nuts. Mwah! Oh, those are done. Doesn't that look beautiful? I love it. Okay, so here's how we do it. We just get in here just like this. Just like this. Got our cut bun. We put it inside there just like so. There we go. Like so. Go ahead and put that down right here. And guess what? I forgot to get a spoon, but I'll get it right now. So stay with me, folks. Stay with me. Don't go nowhere. And then we're going to come over here. Put this just right on top. Look at that. Oh my God. This is just wonderful. Let me go ahead and bring this in here like this. Now I'm going to come on over here with me. You with me? And then we got to get our little Willy cheesesteak that makes it a Willy cheesesteak. Just like that. Now look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Look at that. Woo-hoo! I can't wait. I got one more to take care of, so you stay with us, all right? Willy cheesesteak, you gotta love it. Vito's Italian Cucina, go to Vito's Italian Cucina, and you can click on anything there, and it'll take you to my recipes website. All my recipes are there. It's chow4now.net. That's chow, C-I-A-O, the number 4, and now.net. Chow4now.net. Till next time, Amarona me. I gotta go eat. I gotta go eat. You know what I think I'm gonna do right now? I think I'm gonna get. Hey, Jimmy the Beak, are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Well, you want to take a taste of this?
Absolutely.
Okay, come on. I'm gonna put it down right here. Just back up just a little bit. I'm gonna put it just like that, and give me that camera. Give it to me. Go ahead. Get in there, bud. Get in there. Jimmy the Beak, ladies and gentlemen. This is the guy that makes it all happen. Let's see what's going on here. Let's go on here. There you go. Come on. Let me see you do it there. Get in there. Oh, he's going to cut it for you, folks. Jimmy the Beak.
It's a diagonal cut, but it's going to work.
That's West Coast.
Okay. Ah, boy, it's hot. Okay. Cousin Willie makes a hell of a steak sandwich.
I never say hell on this show, Jimmy.
Very good.